lost my mind.
Shit, pussy like water, I'm unbothered and relaxing. I would never trip on a nigga if I had him. Bitch, that's my trash, you the maid, so you bagged him. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet.
What's good, my PGC squad? So listen, I know that you probably have seen me turning up with Carmen and the Tube House girls, and let me tell you, it was real. But we have a problem. I sweated my wig out. And you actually know, I was like, the black wig was fun, but out with the old and in with the new. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I melt and lay my lace front. Now listen, ladies, here's the thing. I don't really know how to melt and lay a lace front, but this is the fun part. We're gonna do it together, you know what I'm saying? And yes, this is an old wig cap, and yes, it does have a hole in it because I'm too broke to afford a new wig and a new wig cap. Listen, work with me, okay? Work with me. This quarantine stuck on my pockets low. Yes, it was low before, but that's a different story. Why are we even talking about me? This ain't even about me. This is about y'all. PGC squad, I got you. So, I'm going to be doing a tutorial. Now listen, it's gonna be a twist with it. I was turning up yesterday, and the turn up don't stop. I'm going to be taking shots while I do this. So if you love me, hashtag PGC wig melt in the comment section right now. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get straight to the video. Make sure to like, comment what I told you to comment, subscribe to the channel for future content like this, and let's just get straight into the video, my PGC squad. Okay, you guys, so let's start it off right. I have my little chaser right here, which is some cranberry juice. I have my drink right here, which is some Ciroc, and let's pour it up. Now listen, one thing about me, I don't take shots. I just pour a glass of alcohol and I just drink it. Well, I sip on it, but in this case, I need to be completely Okay, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take our second shot. Okay, so we gonna wait for the third shot, okay? Some of the things I've seen that you need is a wig cap, got to be glue spray, scissors, tweezers, some pins, comb, brush, old hair tie, because we're about to buy another one for this video, and some mousse. So, I have my mirror over here, so if you see me looking over here, that's why. Y'all, I don't know. How long do it take for y'all to get y'all shots in y'all, because it be hitting me quick. Maybe because I just took 2 shots back to back, but it's already hitting. All right, y'all, so we're gonna put this on my head, and we're just gonna turn me into Little Bill. At first I was R. Kelly, but now I'm about to turn into Little Bill. So we're just gonna put our wig cap on, boom, bow, like that, And we're gonna put it over, I seen them do it, they put it near their eyebrows. That's how they do it. Now it's not gonna stay by our eyebrows, you understand? And that could be y'all problem. Y'all place y'all wig cap by y'all eyebrows and think that y'all wig's supposed to be by y'all eyebrows too. No ma'am. Push that dang on wig cap back some, sis. It's not okay. Now we're just gonna, oh, that's cold. We're gonna spray around your edges and a little bit, I think more than the edges too. Ooh, it's cold. Okay, y'all, hold on. Let me just, when it get hard, we'll come back and we're gonna cut it off when it get hard. So when it get hard, we're gonna come back and we're gonna cut it off, okay, guys? So I will talk to y'all when it get hard and we're gonna cut it off. Okay, so I've been spending like 20 minutes trying to figure out where my blow dryer was. So I went to go look in the bathroom. And the whole time, y'all, it was in here. So cheers. We need to take them to the shot. And the last bit. At this point, why not? To finding my blow dryer that was never lost. Alright, y'all, so back to what we was doing. Now we just gonna blow dry it like this. On cool, because I'm hot. Now that I'm monetized, I need all my coins. So no more copyrighted music. When you cut the ears out, it helps the wig glaze.
They call me Megatron. Just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I got my jealous on. I fuck him like I miss him. He just be calling out of prison, bitches, but they gotta fuck the piston. My name is Nikki M. I'm in the CGM. That means this is Candy Apple Red. I'm Barbie, and this is Ken.
Okay.
I feel like I did too much, but let's get naughty. Yeah, I need naughty. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Let's get
It's dry. Even if it's not dry, I don't care at this point. I've been blow drying it for too long. Period. I'm not Shemaine thing. So cut it. And this cap is a little crusty already because I've been using it for a couple of days, weeks. But that's besides the point. Oh my God. Okay, I don't advise anybody to do this drunk.
Moving to Kentucky for my chicken.
Yeah. Don't do this drunk.
Like a duck.
Do not do this drunk. I encourage you not to do this.
We're
drunk.
kicking it off
with like me.
109.
Right about your edges,
here with the FM radio that your people love to choose.
Perm out.
And this goes out to Takrisha. Our favorite song to play in the club.
Know what I'm talking about?
Outside is
everybody see I got a perm.
She's
that's
in the house making it drop.
That was me. I was definitely one of the girls.
I like the way she works.
Because of the perm, because I take care of it
first. Hey, and I know I've been around, but that's why you got the best on earth. Keeping his hands up on my. I got something to feel him, and if he gas me, I'm not feeling enough. I let him gas me. Her butt bigger than big, and she got good head. My head it took it with a rich.
Okay, I'm gonna call y'all back when this is ready.
I'm a motherfucker.
Okay, so I'm sitting here looking like Raggedy Ann.
Ass from the middle east, ass from the middle indies.
So I'm gonna spray some of this mousse in my hands that's broke from Herbal Essences. This is not sponsored. Boom. Wow. We're gonna take the hair and we're gonna do just like that because that's what I be seeing them do. And then we're gonna take the clips because I be seeing them do that too. And then you're gonna use the clips to push the hair back from getting in your face, girl, because that is so freaking annoying.
Okay, so I didn't show this part, but I went ahead already and put glue around my wig cap. I guess the camera wasn't recording. I don't know what the heck was. I don't know what happened last night. But yeah, that step is missing.
Okay.
Tell you right now, you need to stop wearing cheap wigs. Buy you something that's not this.
That's a
Get you something that looks right. You look a hot mess. Oh, baby. You look like you got really good.
What the freak?
Girl, you need to stop right now. You look
at put to the side. Do a part. How you want to do your part? I want a deep part, so I'm gonna do a deep part, but I don't know how to do a deep part. So, much to the side. It look a little bit too much to the side. Maybe we could do right here instead, because I really don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let me see. Gonna pluck it to make it look like a natural part, because right now it's giving real wig vibes. Don't do what I do, but oops, rip it out. Rip the hair out. Just kind of, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't rip it out because you know your cap can rip that way. I did it. I seen it happen before, but honestly I don't feel like plucking it. So I'm gonna rip it and boom. And if I don't like how I look, then I'll just do another part. How about that? On the phone. Oops. And put it in the hair. I just need to do the ends of this hair because it's giving me very much Raggedy Ann right now. Okay, you guys, so I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna have to have somebody who's really good at doing hair kind of like tweak it some more for me, but for the most part I want to say I think I did pretty good. My wig cap is still showing on the side, so I gotta find a way to cover it up, but I like it. What do you guys think about it? Oh shit, nah, I gotta fix that. I need to fix that part, y'all, so I'm gonna fix it and I'll come back. Alright, you guys, so if you like the finished look, make sure to hashtag PGC wig, honey. I think I did an amazing job to be a little tipsy. Honey, like, look at this. Look. I think the finished look is amazing. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like. Hope it was an easy method to follow. If you don't know, your girl's about to finish turning up with her friends. So I will catch you guys in my next video. See you guys in my next video, my PGC viewers.